And gentlemen, Daniel here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Netflix type of websites and applications. So I call this particular one Streamify, and this is a website or application that users can come to watch video. So it's like a video streaming application. Now this is a quick demo of the application. I call this one Streamify, and user can actually search for any title of video that I've uploaded. So it has both the admin side and the user side. So this is the user side. I'll show you the admin side later on. And each videos are divided in categories. So we have action, we have comedy, and you can put as much category as you want. Now, when user want to watch any video, just need to tap on it, and the video is going to load. Now, this particular video that I put in demo, it is kind of portrait. So, but normal video should be, rectangular video. And actually, muted this particular video. Video is playing. I muted it so that we can hear one another. Basically, you can hear me. So I'm going to close this, and you can put more videos, you can upload videos. I'm going to show you how you can do everything for free, absolutely free. So let me quickly show you the admin backend. Let me just log out and show you the admin backend so you can see the admin backend on how it is being done. So let me log in as the admin into this. So here I am, just log in. All right, so this is what the admin is going to see. This is admin backend. So the admin is going to create categories and can upload videos, just upload videos. So we're going to use Google AI Studio. We're going to use Firebase for the database, and we are good to go. So let me show you how all this can be done. Let me close this. So all you have to do is to click on the link below. It will bring you here to this particular website where you are going to be able to copy the prompt, the exact prompt that I used to be able to create that video streaming application. So you come here, just scroll down a little bit. So when you scroll down, you're going to see prompt used. So you just have to come here and copy all this code. You have to copy all this code, the prompt used. You just have to copy everything the way they are. So it comes and you copy to this side here. So you copy it to this place here. You just have to copy it. Then you're going to go to your Google AI Studio. Let me just show you that. You go to your browser and search for Google AI Studio. So you're going to click on this first link here, which is Google AI Studio, and this is going to prompt you to actually sign up if you don't have an account, or you just sign in straight if you have an account. So the prompt that I showed you how you can copy, you just come here and you paste it here. So let me just go and copy it and paste it here. All right, so I've copied and pasted my prompt. I'm going to click on the send. Now this particular prompt is going to ask this Google AI Studio to give me the Firebase code, to give me the admin code, and to give me the user's code. And if you want it to be a single code, you just ask this chat, you just ask the Google AI Studio to give you a single HTML code for everything. So it's giving me a breakdown of everything I need to do, and every installation I need to do, and what I should do on the Firebase and the code. So it's going to generate the code for me in a little while. Now it's giving me the Firebase rule. So I will show you. This is very simple. Basically, all you have to do is just to copy and paste it, and you're going to have no issue. So let's wait for this to load. All right, now this has fully generated all the code I need, both for the admin side and for the user side, and that also included the Firebase. So I'm going to show you how you can activate the Firebase. So to the first step you're going to do before you actually copy the code is to go to Firebase. So you're going to see here, so let me just come here a little bit. All right, so you can see this step here. We're going to start with this step. So we're going to start to set up your Firebase authentication. No, you have the first step up here, which is create your database project. So I'm going to come to my browser here and search for Firebase. Don't forget that Firebase is going to be the backend we're going to use. So I'll come here and search for firebase.google.com, you can actually create an account. So when you come here, you just come here and click on, go to console or tap on the get started. So let me just come here and click on get started on console. So this is the button I'm going to click on. Let me just show you that. So I'm going to click on this button here, get started on console, and this is going to take me to my console. But you might be prompted to log in and register, but I have an account. That is why this is just going straight to my own Google console. It is free, absolutely free to get started with. So just give it a little while. So this is the interface I'm seeing here. So I'm going to click on create a new Firebase project. I'm going to give my Firebase project a name. Let me just call it my video, or then I'm going to come down here and click on continue. So I'm going to disable this enable Gemini and click on continue. So I'm going to also disable this one and click on create project. So your project is going to be created in less than 1 minute. So just give it some seconds and this will be created for you. So after this has been created, we have to go back to our Gemini, our Google AI Studio, to know the next step to follow. And this is very straightforward and easy things to do. Very easy. So this has been done for all. Then just click on continue and this will bring you to the next interface. Now in this next interface, what you have to do is to just let's see, click on this menu button. There's a menu button up here. Let me show you. Okay, I've clicked on it already. So okay, let me just come back to my project. I mistakenly click on that Firebase logo. So this is going to just load my project, and this was the menu button I clicked on the other time, this one here. So there's a menu button here. So you just tap on that menu button and it's going to show you this menu. Then just come straight to this build. You're going to see authentication. Tap on the authentication. Then the video is going to open up to you this way. Then you're going to click on get started. So when you tap on get started, it's going to take you to the next step where you can actually enable sign-in method. So you're going to enable this email/passport password, enable that and click on save. So after I've done that, the next thing you're going to do is to add a user. So let's just go to our Google AI Studio so that we can know what the step we're going to do. So it starts us to create add projects. All right, we've done that. So the step 2, which is set up Firebase authentication in the Firebase console, go to authentication. So we've done that. Sign in. So sign in method, email and password. Then you can enable Google. But for now, I won't enable Google. So I just want them to just only sign in with their username, their email, and their password. So after I've done that, so the step 3 is to sign up Cloud Firebase. So in the Firebase, so let's see here, in the Firebase console, go to Cloud Firebase under build method. Then you're going to create database, all this and that. All right, so let's just quickly get this done. I'm going to come to my Firebase here, and there's one other thing I want us to do, but we'll do that later. So click on the menu, and under this menu here, you're going to come to build, and you're going to come here to create your database. So you're going to look here for Firebase database. You tap on Firebase database here. Then when you've done that, you have to create database also. It's just a simple step, it's a simple click, and that is going to be done for you. All right, so I'm just going to click on create database, click on next, and I'm going to start in production mode. I'm going to click on create. So when I've done this is just going to load up for me this way, setting up security rules. We have to come back and set our security rules later. So this is going to be done for me this way. Then let's go back to our Google AI Studio and see what is add Firebase SK to HTML. So this is what we are going to add that later. All right, so all these steps we're going to do that later. Now what you have to do now, apply Firebase security rule. Copy the entire content of the provided Firebase rule. Let's see, where is the Firebase rule that was provided? Is it up here? Okay, I think that should be somewhere. I actually provided the rule for you, so you can check that out. I've made it available. So this is the rule that was said that we should apply, and we're going to get that done. So don't forget that I'm using All right, so let's go to our Firebase. So let's quickly do this next step, which is important. Click on the menu bar on your Firebase and come to your authentication. So in your authentication, you're going to click on this add user and you're going to give your admin. So I'm going to call this one admin. Let me give it the email admin@gmail.com, and I'm going to give it the password admin. This is just a demo password at 11. I'm going to click on add user. So when I click on add user, then the next step you're going to do, you have to copy you click on this copy, basically copy this code. So when you copy the UID, user ID, then after I've done that, you have to come back to your database here, and in your database here, just come here and click on the Firebase database. So when you click on the Firebase database, you have to add this ruler, this user. So you click on add start connection, then give your user ID a collection ID and data. But we can actually do this step I'm showing you. We can do it later on. It's still very easy for us to do. So let's just wait to do that later. Let me not just bombard you with so much rules. So let's click on the rules here, up here, and we're going to add. So click on edit rule. So let's add this rule that was given to us, that our Firebase just gave to us. So you tap on this. This is the rule I'm copying. You can see this third one, fire store.rule. So just copy this, then you're going to go to your Firebase. You have to highlight everything here, and just delete it, highlight everything there. So let me do that thing, delete everything you are seeing there. Then you're going to paste your new rule. So I'm going to click on paste, and this is going to be pasted for me this way. So I'm going to click on publish. So click on publish, and this is going to be published. So you say it's going to take some minutes to propagate, but that's already been published. So after I've successfully done that, I'm going to come back to my AI, Google AI Studio, and just go down here and see. So all this one now, you don't need them for now. In fact, you don't even need them in this video. So you are going to copy your admin.html code, and you're also going to copy your user.html code. So right, so let me just come here and copy the admin.html code. I'm going to come up here and copy that. So let me just show you. So you're going to see this copy icon, you see that. So just tap on it to copy. They are going to come to your Up Web application. So I've provided the application on my Telegram channel. Just click on the link, go to my Telegram channel and download it and install it. Then when you are here, just click on the create project. So let me just call this one my video streaming. So I'm going to give it a name basically. So I'm going to click on OK, and then I'll come back here and tap on it again. Then tap on the index.html. So I'm going to select all, and I'm going to paste it. So now this particular code that I just pasted, let's say, is for admin panel, not for index.html. So I'm going to sort that. So let me just go click on back. So this particular name, I'm going to edit it by clicking it and clicking on rename. So I'm going to call this one admin.html, and I'm going to click on OK. So when I tap on it again, so if in case you miss how I selected, or what I just did to select all was just tap on anywhere on the screen, press my hand there, then these buttons are going to, all these particular buttons are going to show. So the first button is copy, second button is first copy is select all, second copy is cut, then the third one is copy, and the last one is paste. So that's why I just copy and paste it basically. So now that I've done this, I can just come down here. There's a button down here which is like play button. You see down there, I can just tap on it to actually load the admin panel code. I'm not expecting it to work now basically. So it's going to tell me admin login is only accessible if I have the admin login details. So it's telling me please log in to access the admin panel. If I click on login, it's telling me all this. The required sources was not found in the server, this and that. So no problem. You just have to continue our design. So I'm going to come back and go and copy the index.html. So to do that, I just have to scroll down a little bit until I see where the index.html code starts from. All right, so this is where it starts from. I'll click on copy, and I'm going to come back to my my web, then I'm going to click on this plus icon. There's a plus icon here, this one here, the plus icon. So I put a tap on that plus icon, and I'm going to name this one index. So it's going to be index.html. Then I'm going to click on OK. Then I just have to copy everything, click on copy, and paste it. So I'm going to run it. So let's see if I run the index.html, this should load our application. Now you can see this is how the one I showed you earlier looks like. There may just be a slight difference because obviously I regenerated the code. So I'm going to show you how you can get the code. If you don't want to regenerate the code, I will show you how that can be done. So now if you try to log in, it's not going to go. So let's say I log in as let's say admin. So it's not going to work now because we are yet to connect our database. So I have to connect the backend. So I click on sign in. So you can see it's going to show Firebase error. We are here to connect our database, Firebase. So let's go and quickly connect our database. So to connect your Firebase, which is going to be our database, going to be our backend, all you have to do is to come back to your Fire store. This is your Firebase store. So in this place here, just come here. We still need to do some process here, but we're going to do that later on. Let's see if I click on data, because we're here to connect it, nothing is going to happen here. So I'll click on the menu icon up there. So in my Fire store, then I'm going to come here and click on, you can see this project. There's a project review up here. This is project review. Okay, so you go to click on this gear icon. There's a gear icon there. Then I'm going to click on that, and this is going to load. So I'm going to click on project setting. So when I tap on project setting, it's going to, I'll just tap anywhere outside the screen. Then just scroll down a little bit and click on this one that look like this particular button. So that's what I'm going to click on. So I just go and able to generate the Firebase code. So I'm going to come here and just call this. Let me just call it video. I can just call it any name. So it's not important to call it any fancy name. I'm going to click on register app. So when I tap on register app, my app is going to be registered. So this is currently loading. Just give it some seconds basically. Then it's going to give you some code which you need to copy. So I'm going to copy this code from this place here, this place that come with constraint. So constant, then I come here and copy this. That's only part of this code that I need. After I've copied that, so I'm going to come back to my web here. Then I'm going to close this. Then in my code, I'm going to look for where I can actually paste that. So you just have to look for a code, and there's some important things that will give you an idea of where you can paste it. You see the name Firebase, so you can see here, paste your Firebase configuration snipers here. You can see this code here. So there's a kind of code here. You see something very familiar to this in your code. All you have to do is to copy from that part to this, because that's where I copied from the code. You're going to paste it. So when you've pasted that, just come here and click on save. So I'm going to save that now. Then I'm also going to do the same thing for the admin. So I'll come here and click on the admin HTML and just scroll down a little bit until when I see that. So this is it. Paste your, I believe you can see this. So paste your Firebase configuration snipers. So I'll tap here and edit it to this place and also paste it here. Then I'm going to click on save. So let's try. If you try to run it now, it is going to, your admin panel is also going to go, telling me to log in. But the problem there is that we are yet to create a default admin. But if I try to sign up as a user, this should work fine. So I'm going to come here and sign up as user. I'm going to say user at Gmail. So let me just sign up user at Gmail. I'm kindly just creating a new account.com, and I'm going to put password to be user at 11 and click on sign up. So give it some time. You can see now my application is actually working fine. It's working well here. But we are here to load some videos on it and that. So let me just quickly show you some important information. If you need your own to look like exactly like the one I showed in the beginning of the video, I've provided the code for you. So I'll put the code in the website, in this particular website. All you have to do is just come to this website and copy the code. So like this particular website, I have to create video streaming. I've provided the code, the admin code, the user code. Just come and copy. So from where you copy the point, basically when you just scroll down, you're going to see the rest of the code which I've provided for you for absolutely free. Just copy and paste it. So this is the Firebase rule. You can copy the Firebase rule which I showed you earlier, how you can do that. Then this is the index code. You copy the index code and paste it under the index, and you copy the admin code and paste it under the admin. So this is going to make it to look exactly like what I showed you from the beginning. Unlike this one that we created, that does not look like the one we created from the beginning. All right. So after I've gotten the user, I'm going to sign out. So if I start to sign in as admin, it's not going to work. So let's come back to our Firebase store. So I'm going to come back to our Firebase here. So we do not need this again. So to do that, to stop this, just click on that close. Then I'm going to click on this three dots, the menu icon again. So I have to go back to the menu, and I'm going to click on authentication this time around. When I tap on authentication, this is going to load my authentication. So now you can see that it has added an extra user here. It's an extra user that has been added here for us. This is user which I just created. So, but I want to add the admin that I created earlier as the admin, basically from the backend, so that, and I'll give that person the admin right. So I'm going to tap on this copy. There's a copy icon here, this one. So I'm going to tap on that to copy the one for the admin, only the one for the admin. Then I'll click on the menu icon to go back to this menu here. So let me tap on the menu icon here. So this is going to show me the menu, so I can click on the Firebase database, Firestore database. So when I tap on that, it's just loading for me yet. Then it has created some default default connection for me, basically. So I'll just come here and tap on, this home icon. So it's going to take me home. So this was the home icon I tapped on. Basically, I tapped on this home icon. So it took me home in the database. So then I'm going to click on this user. So you can see I tap on this user, and the user, it has created this user ID. This is the user ID. So I want to add my own user ID. So let me just come back a little bit again. I want to show you how that can be done. So let me, excuse me. This thing is skipping a process, and I don't want you to skip that process. So I'm not deleting it. I'm going to tap on that and click on add document. So when you click on add document, you're going to put your user document ID. That's going to be user ID for the admin that I copied. So I'm going to come to this field here, and I'm going to press just roll. You tap roll, and in the string, make it small letter admin. Please make sure that there's no extra line, just this way. Then you're going to come down here and click on save. So when you do that, this is going to add you're going to see that it has been added as an admin. So let's try to log into the admin dashboard in our code and see if this is going to work. So I'm just going to change this to admin. Please, I believe you are getting value in this video. Please, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. So I'm logging in with the admin information that I loaded, and let's see if this is going to work. So it's telling me it's already in use. Okay, I should have clicked on sign in, not sign up, basically. So pardon me that. I'm going to click on sign in, and I'm going to give the admin, the user, the admin password. Now it's going to be admin at 11, and let's sign in as the admin. So you can see that the admin password is working, the admin backend is working, the user side is also working. So this code is working perfectly fine without any issue whatsoever. So now let's add some videos. I'm going to show you how you can add videos and how you can add thumbnail. So to add video, let me just quickly create a category. Let me just call this one action, and I'm going to click on save category. So when you click on category and save action, it's going to load. You can see this now. It has successfully loaded there. You can edit it and delete it if you want to. Now, to be able to upload your video, you have to go to a website known as vimeo.com. So I did that to save you space of uploading videos on this particular site. So we don't need our database for now. We don't need it again for now. So later on, if you want to, so you just come to your browser and search for vimeo.com. And this is just going to load up for you. So you might have to sign up, register and create an account and sign up. But I've create an account, I've signed up already. Now it comes with 1 gig space, but obviously you can create more accounts and upload more videos, so that you can have extra space. So when you have logged into your account, just come here and click on upload. So this is going to make you able to upload your own videos. So you upload your own video, you can control your videos from this place here. So this was one of the videos which I uploaded. So just sometimes can be a little bit lagging. So just click on the upload video, and this is going to prompt you to be able to upload a video. So I'm going to click on choose file. So it's going to go to my panel where I can actually copy, physically copy. So let me just pick any random one. I'm going to pick this random one. I'm going to click on done, and this is going to upload my video. So to upload my video, so all you need from this video is the URL which you are going to copy and go and put in the admin dashboard. So when you put it in the admin dashboard, user is going to be able to see it. So please, if you are getting value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, like this page, share this video to friends and family. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Don't forget that all the prompts, all the code, I've made them available on the website. Just click on the link below and it will take you there. Now the video is currently uploading. Give it some time to just upload it. So currently in 23%, now in 60%. All right, so the upload is complete now. So it's still trying to just go through everything to show you. Now after it has successful, all we need is just the URL. Just copy the URL and paste it. So it's optimizing it. Give it some time. Of course, you can change the title. You can change the title of your video as that is uploading. So let me just call this. Any name. Let me just call this action video. I'm typing it now, showing. Yeah? So let's wait for that to optimize what is happening there. Don't forget that the longer your video, the longer the time to take to optimize. So I'm going to advise you that if your video takes a lot of space, try to reduce the space. So that is going to save you some data. So it's telling me that optimizing might take a while. So make sure that the size of your video is not that much. Okay. Just let us wait for some while to get it sorted. All right, so our video has fully uploaded and is working fine. So all you have to do after this has been done for you, you can do any of all these if you want to. So I'm okay with the way this is. So let me just come to, you have to find a way where you can copy this particular video URL, and to do that you have to, so let me show you what you need to do. So let's just go back and let's go back to Vimeo. Go back to our home page. So go back to our home and show you where you can copy the video URL. So this is just going to, so from your home page here, you're going to see the video you've uploaded. So I uploaded a video which I name action. So this is the video, my recent video. So just have to wait for it, especially if you're using smartphone. You're going to see this 3 dots down here. Tap on that 3 dots, then click on copy link. So when you click on copy link, so that is the link that you need. So you come back to your website here. So you're going to give your video a name. So let me just call this action video or anything you want to call it. Then I'm going to select your categories. So I'm going to select action category, and I'm going to paste the Vimeo. Okay, let's see. Now this is not what I'm going to paste. That is not what I'm going to. It has to come with the URL. Come with the http vimeo.com, this and that. So I'll click on this 3 dots again, and I'm going to click on let me click on share and see if that is going to generate the code for me. So I'm going to click on copy link, and let's see, and let's come back here and let's paste that. Yes, so this is what I want. So I do not need this share and copy again. Just going to remove all that. The thing you're going to do now is to put your thumbnail. You have to put your thumbnail. Now I use another website known as Imgur for your thumbnail. I did this to save space. So you just come to your browser here and search for imgur.com. So that is imgur.com. Here, same thing, just sign up. It's a very simple process. You sign up with an account and it will bring you to this kind of interface when you sign up. So all you have to do is to come here and click on this icon. There's this icon here, this one here. That is like the upload icon. So you click on that. So when you tap on that, this is going to load up for you to basically to upload your own image. So you're going to upload, you can have a screenshot of any part of the video, or upload, or you create your own thumbnail if you want to create it, or you just basically upload any part you want to upload. So I'm just going to upload any image here just to show you this. So I'm going to upload this particular thumbnail. So this is just going to upload it for me here. You can see currently this is the thumbnail it has uploaded. And to be able to copy the link, just tap on that image and click on open a new tab. So you click on open a new tab, then you go to the new tab that you open it. So this is it here. So what you need to copy is this one, the URL that JPEG or PNG. You copy the URL of the particular image. I'm going to copy this. Let me just go to select all and click on copy. So when I've copied that, I'm going to come back to the admin backend here of my website. This has gone out. Okay, so let me just paste this here. I'm going to go and copy the Vimeo link again and paste it. So let me just put action here and select title. Let me go back to Vimeo link. This reloaded itself. So I'm going to come to Vimeo here and copy the link that I copied earlier. So just click on copy, or you click on this 3 line in front of the video. You're going to see copy link. So I'm just going to click on the copy link. Then let me come back to my admin dashboard and let me paste that. So after I've done that, just click on save video, and you can see the video you've saved is going to appear this way. So you can actually edit it and delete it. So let's log out and log in into the user and see how it looks like. All right, so this is a network issue. Let me just refresh it. All right, so let me close this now. And don't forget that if you want to have exactly of what I've done, the tested code is working fine. I've provided in the comment, and I've provided the link on the website. Click on it. So let me come back to the admin here, to the user here, and tap on that. So I'm logged in as a user. Okay, at user at Gmail. So this was the password that I created for this is the password now. So user at 11. I'm going to sign in. Now you can see that the video is now showing for the user. This is beautifully fine. So the admin is going to upload the video from his back end. It's going to show to the user here, and the user can actually basically make use of it. So when they just come here and tap on any video they want to watch, it's going to open up for them this way, and they can actually watch it. So you can see the video is currently playing, and don't forget that the video is showing the square in portrait, because the video uploaded is portrait. If I've uploaded a full video, it's going to show fully, and this is working absolutely fine. Working absolutely fine, no problem, no issue whatsoever. So what I'm going to do now is that I want to upload this I want to create a blogger and website for this my application, so that user can actually click on the link and begin to watch it, and I can start showing ad, so that I can start showing ad to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to ChatGPT. I'm going to come to Google AI. Sorry, I'll come to Google AI. I'm using Google AI, not ChatGPT. And I'm going to ask it. So I'll come here. I'm going to ask it, provide a single HTML code for me, a single HTML code comprising of both the admin and the index.html. So I'll come down here. I'm going to write, provide a single HTML file for both containing both the admin and index file. So I'm going to click on, so I want it to be a single file so I can actually upload it on my blogger. So as this is actually, you click on send, as this is actually going, you come to your website, your tab here, new tab here, and search for blogger.com. So you can just search for blogger and go to see this first link. Tap on this first link, and this is going to load up for you here. So what you have to do is to come to this 3 line. Okay, you're going to see this 3 line here. You tap on that 3 line, then go down a little bit. You're going to see view blog. So tap, not view blog, excuse me. I was reading the former blog, the former one I created. So you come here, you're going to see this drop down. This drop down you are seeing here. Tap on that drop down, and when you tap on the drop down, you are going to be able. Let me just quickly do that. So tap on the drop down. I'm going to see new blog. Tap on the new blog. So I'm going to create a new blog. Let me just call this one video streaming or video streaming. Then I'm going to come here and click on next. So when I tap on next, then I'm going to let me just give it an address. Let me call this one Netflix video streaming. Alright, so this one's available. Then you're going to click on save. So when you click on save, you just give it a little time. It's going to write processing. You can see it writing processing. Then it's going to go to it's going to create your particularly, so it has created my new account, my new website account. So let me show you now. Let's go back to our Google AI Studio to see if the code is now available for us to copy. So this is it here. So it is still writing all the line of code. It's writing all the line of code for us. So as this is working, let me just go back. Okay, let's just pause and we'll resume it when this has been done. Alright, so this has successfully generated a single file HTML consisting of both the admin and the user. So I'll just come here and click on this copy. So I'll come here and click on this copy icon to copy this code. Then I'm going to come back to my Oop web. Of course, you can edit anyone here or just create a new project. Let me just create a new project and just call this where do we need to do this in? So no need of us. Let us go straight to our blogger and get things done. So let me just come back to my blogger here. So because I actually want to be a single file so I can upload it on the blogger. So I'll tap on here and then I'll come to my blogger. Don't forget that I've created a new website on this blogger. So I'm going to come here and click on these 3 dots here. For my 3 dots here, I'm going to come here and click on settings. So we're going to see this, click on theme. You tap on theme and this is going to load some theme for you. So just go down until you see this simple theme. You're going to see this simple theme. Tap on it, then click on apply, then click on got it. So this theme is going to be applied for you. When you come up here, the theme will be applied. You're going to see this drop down menu. Tap on this drop down menu. So I'm tapping on that drop down menu. Then you're going to see mobile settings. Tap on that mobile setting. Then here you're going to see this one desktop. Tap on the desktop and you're going to tap on save. So we're turning it to that. Then you click on the drop down menu again. Then after I've click on that, click on switch to 4th generation classic. So let me do that again. Switch to 4th generation classic. Click on switch. So it's going to switch and you're going to see just this edit HTML. Then tap on this and click on change navigation bar. Then click on off it. Then click on save. So these are some of the settings you need to do. Then come here and click on edit HTML. Click on edit HTML. So you're going to select all of these and I'm going to delete it. So when you select all and go to delete, it's going to delete. It's deleting because one, you make sure that you enable desktop sites. Oh, that is understood. So I'm going to paste my code here. Paste all my code, and I've added in this my code. I've added the Firebase line of code to it. I've added the Firebase line of code to it. Of course, you can just copy your Firebase line of code and give it to the Google AI Studio to actually include that for you, or you can include it yourself. So I added this somewhere, I think somewhere. So this is the Firebase line of code that I've added. I believe you remember how we did it earlier. You copy the constraint Firebase, you copy it and paste it. If you don't copy it and paste it in this unit, in the single file of code given to you, it's not going to work because the Firebase needs to be connected. Please, if you miss this part, you can just let me know. I'm going to explain it better in the comment section. Or better still, just try to watch the video how I copied it from I go to the project setting and I copied my Firebase, the project, the code itself, which I pasted on my code. So after I've done that, then you're going to come here, you're going to see this save. See this save here. So you tap on that save and your website is going to be saved. So it has been saved successfully. So let's click on back and click on the menu icon and let's click on view project. So when you click on view project, it's going to have the same database, the same interface as the one down there. So let me just log in as user. So I'm going to click on user@gmail.com and I'm going to put in my user password which was created just sign up and you're going to get user password. So when I click on this, I'm going to click on sign up. So you can see the thing is now working perfectly fine. So it means that for users to actually access my website, I just need to give them this code, give them this website link. I'm going to just copy this website link. So when I share this website link with anybody, they're going to be able to watch my Streamify. I think I love it even on website. It looks special and wonderful. Don't forget that if you need this code, I've made them available, even the complete HTML, the complete code, I've made it available for you. So you do not need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself of trying to get the code again and again. So I'm going to put the website where you can get this code. I'll put it in the comment section. So you are going to come to the website and you just copy. It will be in the description box and also in the comment section. You will find it in any one of the two. So all the line of code you need has been available. Just copy the one you want to copy and you're good to go. So now let's show ad on it. I'm going to use AdTerra to be able to impute ad on my website, because I think AdTerra gives me a very fast approval and it is good. So I'm going to click on start earning. So you have to stand up and create an account. We have an account already. That's why I click on start earning. So it's going to come to my account, and when you have registered, they will approve you immediately. So no need to stress yourself about the approval. So this is going to take me to my own dashboard. So then when you're on dashboard, you have to click on add website. So I'm going to come here and click on add website. So it's a very simple process. So you're going to see here, click on the add website. So when you click on the add website, you're going to give your website a name. So let me just call this okay, you're going to paste your website URL. Sorry, I've copied the website URL before, so you paste it like that. So then you come to your category. So in your category, you can just select anyone. Let me select order, and I'm going to enable this adult ad. So I'll click on banner. I'm going to choose the first one. You can choose anyone, but you can even add more ad as you want. Add more ad. I'm adding a single ad. I'm going to click on add. So it's going to tell me that it will take between like 1 to 3 minutes, but it takes almost immediately. So I'll click on got it. And after I've done that, all I have to do to see that my website is enabled. So you can see this is the new website I added. To show that it's enabled, I just have to refresh this page, and that is going to be enabled for me. It will be enabled for me. Okay. So let's see that. So when you refresh it, then you're going to see this. So you come here and click on this down button. So you're going to, when you click on the down button, this one, so it's going to show you this second line of code. You just come here, going to click on get code. So when you click on get code, they can copy the code. Then you can go to your Google AI Studio and tell it to just physically include the code. But you can also put it in you can also do this yourself. It's a very simple process. You can see, place it anywhere in the page body. Paste it anywhere in the page body. So let's just copy this and come to our browser, or you can give it to ChatGPT. It's also able to, you can give it to Google AI Studio. It's going to paste it for you also. And any one of the two that you want to do is fine. So let me come back to my browser here, and I'm going to click on edit HTML file. And then let's go to where the body is. So I have this. So this meta, you have to come here anywhere in the body. So this is where the body starts from. You can see this. This is where the body starts from. So let me just tap this, click on enter, and let me just paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. So after I've pasted it, then I'm going to come back to my save. I'm going to click on save to save that new code. So it's going to be saved. Then let's come back to our blogger here and let's refresh it. So I'm going to try to refresh, and the ad is going to start showing. It might not show almost immediately, but it's going to start showing in a little while. Let me just refresh this. It's going to start showing in a little while, and you can actually check it out. You can see the ad is showing now. Can you see the ad showing up here? So you can add as much ad as you want. I can decide to add the ad, add another ad, and put it somewhere here, and it's going to. So when user come to your website and they're watching video, you will be making money from the ad. So guys, I believe you've gotten value in this video. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and all the prompts, the code you are going to need to create both the application and the website, they are all available on this website in the comment section and description box. Click on it, you get everything. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.